A drunk driving arrest may lead to a trip to the DMV. If you've been arrested for a DUI, you probably already know that you face criminal penalties. However, many individuals do not know that they can face civil penalties as well. These civil penalties, like having your license suspended, can have as great an impact on your life as the criminal penalties. As a result, you may want to seek the assistance of legal counsel to help you retain your license before the DMV. Penalties for a DUI. The typical penalties associated with a DUI include monetary fines, installing an ignition interlock device, and possibly even jail time. One penalty that you should not ignore is a license suspension. Unlike with criminal penalties, the DMV administers a license suspension and not a court of law. Because a license suspension falls outside the criminal justice system, the DMV does not have to meet as high a standard to take action and suspend your license. Fighting a license suspension. Each state's DMV has unique procedures and requirements for fighting a license suspension. In almost every state, you may have an advocate represent your interests similar to a criminal trial. Typically, the DMV will set forth the administrative process to argue your case and present evidence as to why your license should not be suspended. Keep in mind that if you're convicted of the criminal drunk driving charges, it can be very difficult to prevail at a DMV hearing. How a DUI attorney can help. An experienced DUI attorney may prove invaluable at a DMV hearing. Your attorney will know what evidence to gather and how to best argue your defense. In addition, your attorney can help you on the criminal side by negotiating a favorable plea deal so that there's not a damaging conviction that would hurt your case before the DMV. You should not ignore the civil penalties of a drunk driving charge. Contact a DUI attorney and fight for your rights.